Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a secret. Shh. Unfortunately, le video izosuswa because you were never meant to know this. The truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a man, sizombiza ngoMayor Amschel. Understand ukuthi uMayor Amschel vele ifamily yakhe was very rich, but he was worried ukuthi the next 10 generations, wealth might be gone, umndeni would be poor. So he had an idea to borrow abantu that thing, iphepha. Unfortunately, that was not enough. U-Amschel saw ukuthi just giving normal individuals that thing was not profitable, so he decided to switch the business and only give governments, kings and queens that paper. And so by doing that, business like started growing because if a king, if a government, if a president owes me that thing, I own you. Years and years went by, the business grew, but Amschel knew ukuthi he was getting older, and so he decided to have 5 kids. Understand ukuthi those 5 kids, he trained them from the very beginning to understand the family business, but most importantly, to understand imali. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi u-Amschel got older and older and wiser and wiser. You see, u-Amschel drafted a plan that was gonna secure the legacy of umndeni wabo, change the world, but make sure ukuthi bona and the rest of the generation would be rich. Once u-Amschel saw ukuthi iy'ngane zakhe are ready and they have full understanding of the family business and have full understanding of imali, he decided ukuthi now it is time to separate them. Each one of them was gonna go to different continents throughout the world to start their business. With the blessing of ubabwakhe, uchild number 1, uJames Mayer Rothschild, wahamba waye Paris. Wayokwenzani eParis? I'm sure uyazibuza. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi uJames opened a bank. Yebo, he started a bank, but not just any bank. Understand ukuthi he opened the Rothschild Frere in Paris, which became the biggest bank in France. But understand ukuthi uJames also became the most powerful banker in France, building strong relationships with the French government. Now, zibuze one question. With all that money, what did he fund? Understand ukuthi he helped to fund the operations of the French government and also helped to build wonke ama-railway across France, and all major infrastructure and industry projects abephuma via the Rothschild Frere Bank le-buildwe uJames. Now zibuze one question. How did he manage to make billions? He helped to fund the Napoleonic War and also helped to stabilize the economy yase-France. That means ukuthi after the Napoleonic War, France owed uJames ne-Rothschild family billions. Number 2 was uNathan Mayer Rothschild. Yena kwathiwa akaye eLondon. What was he going to do eLondon? Nathan also opened a bank, but not just any bank, the Nathan Mayer Rothschild and Son Bank in London, which became the biggest bank in the world. And Nathan became the most powerful brother out of the 5. How? Because he was able to turn London into a Rothschild financial empire. How did he turn London into an empire? Yakubo, because he funded ezinye izinto. What did he fund? He helped to fund the British government during the Napoleonic War. That means wonke ama-war efforts were funded by Nathan and Rothschild. He also helped to create international trade of gold, helping it to move across Europe. That means by the time the war ended, London and other areas near London owed Nathan and Rothschild billions. uCarl Mayer Rothschild yena kwathiwa akaye eNaples. uCarol yena they sent him to Italy. Omunye umuntu uzothi Italy uzokwenzani? Hlakanipha mntomnyama and understand ukuthi he also opened a bank. Not just any bank, he opened the CM Rothschild and Fitzgerald in Nepal, which became the key bank for the kingdom of Nepal, building strong ties with the royal family iyakhona. Yes, understand ukuthi there are certain things now that he helped to fund. He also helped to fund the Napoleon Banbani government. Yes, that means ukuthi state financing, bonds, economic stability of yonke Southern Italy ibidlula kuCarol and Rothschild. Number 4, which is uSolomon. uSolomon. uSolomon yena he was sent eVienna. God, uSolomon. Hey, uSolomon madoda. Understand ukuthi they sent him all the way to Australia to open a bank and called it Solomon Meyer von Rothschild Bank in Australia. Kodwa ke Australia he ended up becoming the most powerful banker in Australia and helping to build the Australian empire. He was very close friends with the king, uClemens von Metternichs. Yes, understand because there are certain things now that he helped to fund. He helped to fund the railway, yes, Australia, especially Australia's first major railway, and he also gave loans to uhulumeni. He also financed izimpi zakhona and also helped to finance the industrial growth yakhona. In the end of it all, he became a billionaire, one of the most powerful person in Australia. Unfortunately, 4 of the brothers went across the world and created bank, whilst the bigger brother yena had to stay behind at Frankfurt and learn from ubabwakhe how to operate the empire. Understand ukuthi the Rothschild helped ukuqala izimpi across the world, and bahlakanipha when izimpi started ibona that funded the kingdoms, the governments to be able to ukuthi balwe. And then after that, when a country is collapsing, sebengenamali, yonke into is falling apart, iqhamuke Rothschild to save that country. But manje lokho saver came with terms and conditions. That means the country owes the Rothschild billions. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how the banking system was created, monopolized, and controlled by the Rothschild, making the family the richest and most powerful family in the world. But that's just half the story. There's more.
You are 5 brothers. I want you each to start a banking business in a different country. One to go and open a house in Paris, one in Vienna, one in London. Choose the most important centers, so that when money is to be sent from here to London, let us say, you won't have to risk life and gold. Amphion, here in Frankfurt, will just send a letter to Nathan in London saying, pay so-and-so. And that will be offset by loans from London to Frankfurt. Understand?
Yes, my brother.
In your day, there will be many wars in Europe. And nations that have money to transport will come to the Rothschilds because it will be safe.